Well, here's a different video. Let me turn on the light. This is my Xiaomi robot vacuum. I still don't know the gen. If you've seen the video of when I got it, it was actually in here. It has a bad battery. It only will clean like a small bit of my house. So I got this new battery. This is obviously an off-brand battery, as they don't make this robot anymore, and most of my parts are off-brand. But you can see, got this. I don't know what that's for. Oh, that's the tab for that. Wait a minute, this battery might already be broken. This is, yeah, that's supposed to be connected to this so that it can hook into the robot. Anyway, let's power it off. Turning off. Okay, and then this needs to be replaced. But first we don't actually have to, but I like to take this out. This out. That's dirty. And then now we can start unscrewing things. Take this screw out. Okay, I'm gonna take this screw out. One right here. Need to remove the side brush. Need to remove this screw. This screw, which will have, based on this Xiaomi, will have a little bit of rubber on it to show if it has been removed or not. This screw. The screws are along the bottom of the bumper. Don't need to be removed to get the bottom plate off. I didn't unscrew this screw all the way. Oh, what's this one? This screw. Make sure you unscrew all the screws all the way. There we go. And here's my troublesome battery. Actually, you don't understand why on this guy there's two colors. Looks like maybe a software port. And then you can take this battery out and plug it. So here's the problem on this new battery, this little clip broke. So, new battery. Okay, I guess red goes this way. I guess I just have to push them in. I guess they're gonna have to be friction fit or something, as the connector is kind of damaged. I could even push it in there. Gotta admit that this battery is a lot bigger. Wait a minute. Okay, so red would be on this side, so then this is how it goes in, but it doesn't want to go in. There we go. It's gonna have to be friction fit. That's not where the battery goes. It's gonna have to be friction fit because that little piece came off. But there. Now the robot should technically have a new battery and should actually be able to clean my house. Now I can put this on. I would glue that back on, but I don't have a hot glue gun. Make it nice and tight, because hopefully I don't need to get it back in here anytime soon. This screw actually. There we go. Let's screw this screw, which has this piece right there on the plate, which I don't really know what it's for. I want to make sure all these are nice and tight. That one's already tight. Oops. It's not really leaned against the Roomba. I really need a tall tripod. I have like a little tripod, but I don't have a very... I have like a very tiny tripod, so... And of course we can reinstall side brush. I would replace it, but I don't have another... I have another side brush, but it's black. And I need a white black. I need a white one. Screw this on. Gonna have to hold down one of those to get it all the way on. Hold it down with my leg like that. Okay, maybe not. There we go. Okay, now we can, of course, take the hair off of it. Reinstall this. And now we should be able to turn the robot on. There we go. Kind of see the light. And that's how you replace the battery on a Xiaomi. Use the original battery. If you want to try to read this, this is what it did at Goodwill for the first time. I don't know what this means.
Starting the click paused.
I'm not really sure what yellow means. But, well, it goes away after a while, so yeah. That's how you replace the battery. Of course, I like to keep my bad batteries. I just realized that there's a cat claw on me. I like to keep these batteries because eventually I want to recycle them at the dump. But until that day comes, I just have a stack of batteries. My third battery I've had to replace in a robot. And here we go. There. Xiaomi can actually clean my house now. That's how you replace the battery in your Xiaomi.